Hey guys, let's check out the live Burj Khalifa fireworks. Here's my review. So we see that the LED display has started. The world comes together. So I think this is for how the world came together for COVID-19 this year in 2020. Six, five, four, three, two, one. 2021. Happy New Year, Dubai. Happy New Year to United Arab Emirates. Wow. Just see the fireworks from the tallest building in the world, and the Dubai fountain, and the UAE flag on the LED screen on the Burj Khalifa. And the fireworks have started right at the top, going up till the bottom on the sides. This is amazing. Hmm. Wow. I mean, we can really appreciate it on the screen, but when you are there exactly at that place, seeing an 828-meter long building and displaying these fireworks and this LED display, the view must be totally out of the world. So I mean, we can't really feel or truly imagine how magnificent is this view. But yeah, I mean, if those guys are really lucky who are watching it there live at that place close to Burj Khalifa. All right, guys, Happy New Year to everyone, and hope we all liked these fireworks light live from Dubai. Cheers and Happy New Year 2021 to all of you.